the leg, the whole leg, the bone coming out the bottom. I would have y'all amputated it? No, I don't want that. Oh, this is literally like I was thinking. I was thinking, like literally chopped. I was thinking the whole leg. There was bones in the if they would have put that right there on their table, that's why you call it time you got a surprise. Yeah, but that shit was right on my table. Yeah, right living room. I mean, the kitchen. And I was like, this is what it looks like. This is actually a leg. Can I stuff it in? You know, home. Okay, well, I guess because. Okay, what else? I guess I'm gonna put the best on top. Because I want to eat. Yeah, that's what I'm yeah. This is Kayla. Say hi to Kayla. Hi. This is a waffle. Yeah. You got the phone to our cars and your purse. That's the class where I mean, I don't think that's better. Nobody else does that. One time when I had to ask her something, that's my head. That's my dick. So I was like, well, this is April, but I'm going to have to do a whole new time. This is only the people like that. It's a not she looks good. I think I like it. It's a girl, a boy. What? But I will. It's not official. Yeah, she lives. He moved to North Carolina. I don't do that. Yeah. It's like 4 hours. A situation. Probably at the my boyfriend eventually because he always out of town. No, you want it? Have you ever been there before? But it ain't too bad. It depends on what you get it for. Yeah, you know, easy, your man easy to say,
Oh, that's just for the food.
right, right. I don't even want to mention that. I just want to go to, I wanted to go to a nice day party, so I hope we can go to a day party Saturday. That's why I'm saying, and I got this, graphic t-shirt because we come there to traffic and whatever.
I would the
If not, I got the
good. First of all, traffic has plenty of
what? I have no, no, like that. Not a one. Except for a but I don't know what.
Is it long though? Is it nasty?
It's like, so it's stop right here and go down.
Oh yeah, I like it.
That's just like, oh, it's just like a stick thing. Yeah. Okay, yeah, that's what I'll do.